How to make money on Fiverr is what I am addressing today. Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm looking at how to make money on Fiverr. Fiverr is an online marketplace that connects freelancers with clients who need their services. If you're interested in making money on this platform, this video is for you. Number one is that you need to identify your skills. The first step in making money on Fiverr is that you need to have a skill, because people will not just pay you for doing nothing. They will pay you for a service you render or the goods that you provide. And for you to render a service, you need a skill. Fiverr offers a wide range of services, from writing and design to programming and marketing. Personally, I write blogs for people on Fiverr, on insurance blogs, finance blogs, and money-making blogs I write for people on Fiverr as the others come in. Think about your strengths and interests and choose a service that you are confident and you can provide at a high level. By the way, I did a program with the Child Insurance Institute of Nigeria, and I have certificate in insurance, and I was moving towards a diploma when I left that sector. So, and I've been reading finance book for a long time, and I can put my acts together when it comes to writing about finance, writing about insurance law, writing about marine insurance and other parts of insurance, or anything money, and many others like that. So it comes very easy to me. If you give me a job of 24 hours, I can do that job in 30 minutes and I will deliver the job. So number two thing you need to do is to create your profile. So number one is that you have to have a skill, something you are comfortable with and you can do easily. Number two is to create your profile on Fiverr. The second step in making money on Fiverr is to create your profile. This is how clients will find you and learn about your services. Make sure your profile is complete and professional, with a clear description of your services and examples of your work. I've made a video about how to make a profile to create an account on Fiverr, from introduction, how you make every aspect of the gig. And the next one is that you have to set your prices. I have a video that covers all these things. That is a tutorial that takes you step by step. So the third step in making money on Fiverr is to set your prices. Fiverr allows you to set your own rates, but it's important to be competitive and reasonable. Do some research on what other freelancers are charging for similar services and set your prices accordingly. Number four is to promote your services. The first step in making money on Fiverr is to promote your services, or to promote what is called your gig. Fiverr has a built-in search engine that clients use to find freelancers, but you can also promote your services through social media and other channels. Be sure to use keywords and hashtags to make your services more visible. Number five, deliver high quality work. The fifth and final step in making money on Fiverr is to deliver high quality work. This is what will keep clients coming back to you and leave positive reviews. Be sure to communicate clearly with clients, deliver work on time, and go above and beyond their expectations whenever possible. So, there you have it. How to make money on Fiverr. Remember that building a successful freelance business takes time and effort, but Fiverr can be a great platform to get started. By identifying your skill, creating a professional profile, setting competitive prices, promoting your services, and delivering high quality work, you can build a thriving freelance business on Fiverr. Thank you for watching this video today, and we shall see again in my next video. But this video popping up right now is the next that you're going to watch. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing and also liking this video and sharing the link of this video and dropping your comment in the comment section below. I'm going to talk to you some other time. Bye for now.